Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we are doing an unboxing. I asked on my Instagram if you guys would want to see the whole thing, everything that I ordered from Colourpop, or if you'd want to see one video on the Super Shock shadows and one video on the Just My Look palette. And you guys said put it all together, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go through exactly what I got from the Super Shock shadow sale. Try saying that 3 times fast. They were 40% off and I grabbed 5, and now they are having a lipstick sale, so their lipsticks are all 40% off. So if you have not tried their ultra matte formula and you're looking for a super long wearing lipstick, I would highly recommend checking out that one. So inside we have this cute little message. It says, "Your summertime fine." And of course all the products. So yep, I got 5 shadows and 1 palette, and I'm really looking forward to busting these open. Alright, so the very first thing we have is a Colourpop single shadow in the shade Empire. Your typical Colourpop packaging. Very cute. Look how sparkly. Oh, I'm so into this already. So beautiful. And then of course the swatch. That is Empire. Let's do Paisley next. She looks like this. And you guys want to make sure to always close your jars up really tight after you use them. Don't leave them open because they will dry out. Okay, so this is Paisley. Oh, she matches my nails. Hello, girl. How you doing? Okay, so I'm going to dip my finger in, swirl it around a little bit. And I'm going to apply that swatch right next to Empire. Wow. So this one to me is reading more as like a glitter top coat, and I'm not mad about it because I love any extra shine. That was Paisley. Next, we are going to dip into what made me purchase any Super Shock shadows to begin with, which is a shade called Coconut. Stunning. So again, one finger in, going to give it some love, and oh wow, I'm so ready for this one. All over the lid. This is going to be so beautiful. And swatched. Oops, I touched it a little bit already, so we'll swatch down here. Oh wow, so beautiful. Alright, and next we are going to finish with one last metallic, and we are going to dip into All In. Literally all in. We're gonna go all in. So this one is the most beautiful burgundy metallic. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna take another finger, gonna swirl in 1, 2, 3. I'm not flipping anybody off. I'm not flipping you off. But look at how beautiful. Oh, it's almost got like a brown to it as well. I'm gonna put that one in the middle of these 2. And oh my gosh. The worst swatch ever. Oh wow. Oh wow, but look how pretty. Okay, and last but not least, we have Paradox. She is a matte burgundy, looks like the perfect sister to All In. And I cannot wait to put this in the crease. So this one is very matte. So rich and buttery feeling. And look at the pigment there. Wow. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch right down here. Wow, this one is a lot more red than I thought. And there you have it. Those are my swatches. This is Empire, Paisley, All In, Coconut, and Paradox. All right, now for the really fun part. This is what I've been looking forward to. I have been looking for a green palette and weighing my options, and there was a few that stood out to me. I was really interested in the Oceanic palette and the Whale Song palette from Menagerie Beauty. I forget who does the Oceanic. I think it starts with an A. Why don't I remember? Let me double check. Oh, Ace Beauty? Ace, right? Ace Beauté? Beauté with an E, A. And then last, of course, is the Alien palette, Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And this one, while the Jeffree Star formula is very tempting, I was looking for something more green, and this palette is more alien-like, which is perfect because, you know, that's the theme, and I think it's awesome. But I just wanted something like with like a true hunter green, like foresty, like very like ethereal, and this is the Alien palette. I'm sure you guys have all seen it and love it. It's reading a little differently on my phone on the camera. And like I said, it's beautiful, but it's just not really what I was looking for. So I settled on the Colourpop Just My Luck palette. And look at how gorgeous these shades are. So first we are going to dip into the top row, which is Chances Are, Kiss My Ass, which is Haas avocados, and 50/50. And they look like this. That is the top row, except backwards, so I guess it would be like this. In the next row, we have Big Banks, Mary Jane, and Olive You. That's cute. So dipping into Big Banks, Mary Jane, and Olive You. From the reviews that I saw, Olive You looks so gorgeous on the lid. I think that I'm most excited for the metallics in this palette. The mattes seem to be looking like they're okay, but I really bought this for the olive color because, wow. I watched Shay apply hers in her video and I was like, I want it. I'm gonna have it. And so yeah. So the last row we have right here, Act Natural, Mo Bamba, and Charmed. Alright, so I'm gonna come up here and show you guys what they look like. Here we have Chances Are, Kiss My Haas, 50/50, Big Banks, Mary Jane, Olive You, Act Natural, Mo Bamba, and Charmed. Look at Mary Jane, she's just a shining. Like I said, Charmed, barely showing up on me. Let's see if she's buildable. Oh yeah, I'd say so. So as you guys know, Colourpop has different palettes for each color of the rainbow. So if you're looking for a pink palette, they just released their Strawberry Shake. If you're looking for a yellow palette, the Honey just came out, which looks beautiful. So if you guys are looking for something specific, I highly recommend you check them out. Like I said at the beginning of this video, they are doing a lipstick sale right now for 40% off. The Super Shock Shadows are back to $6. But they're well worth it. So if you guys are interested, I definitely would recommend checking out Coconut. And ooh, I really loved Empire as well. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.